out. It's looking like a Chris Vi day. Ball repping, or just watching or falling asleep, something like that. But we got a lot of house presents near the top. We got Packy, Nick, Chris is in 16th, Brad's up there. Who else from the house made it?
I think that's it.
Oh.
We did worse than last
Okay.
year.
Maybe house presence is not that good. We were talking about content. It was Kyle, Mikey, and myself. We're talking about content. And we're trying to come up with video ideas. What do you guys want to see? Let's get creative here, because Jesse and I actually have an idea that we want to execute at some point. I think you guys are gonna like it. But anyways, think of just ridiculous things that we could do, things that might go viral. Just anything. Even Tang v Tang challenges, because we need to do some of those. We're gonna do some this week. Also subscribe. Also hit the like button. Also go follow his channel. Link might be in the description. That's up to Jesse though. I don't know if it's gonna happen or not. We'll see you at the bowling center. Feeling pretty confident that Christopher's going to make this number. The top 16 at least. Might be in the top 8 after this block. He keeps blowing the way his ball. So 250 start. Status update.
Status update.
How's Brad doing?
We update. No good.
No good? Is
210, 220, 220.
Is he still in there?
Sure, I would think so. Like,
It's still tied to 0.
Everyone's tied.
oh,
They
sure.
updated it, didn't they? It's still tied to 0.
Well, then he's way good. Just need a good game.
Chris just bowled 160.
See?
But he threw the back four for 160. No spares. At 50 in the 5th.
So it just seems like you either have the 270 look or you have the 190 look. There's
Which is
really
crazy
not a lot
because
in between.
to make it this far, you needed at least 230 look.
At least.
At least.
I think they, with less people, they transition different a little today. And the lefties are going to crush them because it's the same. And the righties are going to have to keep an open mind, maybe change it up with some touch, or you have to be a little better. Because that free wheel that was there yesterday, it's just a little different today. And that could be the difference between you shooting 250 and you shooting back four for 160.
This seems very passive aggressive towards the left.
Towards what?
Nothing.
To the left?
Towards the left.
No, it just is what it is. It's bowling, fam. We're just stating facts out here.
Is it true? He's laughing.
100%.
Grit your teeth.
No.
Playing the game.
The game.
Explain the game.
So the game is you got to have every possible count. So you go from miss 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, strike, and a spare. So if you have that, you've got the whole. Yeah, you got to have that in one game, the whole game. Currently, Matt Russo is pretty close.
I didn't want to throw him under the bus.
I didn't want to do it. But
we've got somebody that has a chance at winning the game.
He has gutter 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a spare.
Okay.
So he's close.
Well, it's not looking so good. 4-9 to the 10th. And all the guys that were right ahead of him beat him by a couple of pins. Less than 20. Every single one of them. I don't know what Sterner's at, but he shot 2-0. I don't know. I mean, there's no scores. Everyone's still tied at 0, but it's moving the standings. Well, unfortunately, it does not look like Chris is going to make it. That's why we are in the car waiting.
Doesn't look like he already did.
Yeah, he was first out. 4-9 did him in. Well, I'm sure that one, let's be honest, it was a 160 more than anything, but when it's that close, you can get the pins from anywhere. And we are experiencing some growing pains at the moment, and we're just gonna have to work through it. That's just how it is out here, and you know, a lot of people hit this wall and give up and go home. We're gonna work through it. So we got a few days off, gotta practice. And yeah, keep it coming, social media coaches. Let me know what I need to do, because I already know what I gotta do. I just gotta go put the work in. But yeah, keep annoying me in the comment section. Back for vlog action in Kokomo. See you then.